हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू प्लेसमेंट बडीज। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक और ऑफ कैंपस जॉब नोटिफिकेशन लाया हूँ एंड दिस टाइम द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज़ फ्रॉम अ वेरी गुड कंपनी कॉल्ड HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज। सो HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज लिमिटेड इज़ बेसिकली एन इंडियन मल्टीनेशनल IT सर्विस एंड कंसल्टिंग कंपनी और इसका हेडक्वार्टर है नोएडा उत्तर प्रदेश में एंड ये HCL एंटरप्राइज की एक सब्सिडरी है। ओके, यू कैन नो मोर अबाउट दिस कंपनी बाय विजिटिंग देयर वेबसाइट which is www.hcl.com. So they are basically recruiting trainees across India. The qualification should be either BE or BTech in CS, IT, EC. Alright, you should have an experience of 0 to 3 years. Means अगर आप fresher भी हो तब भी आप apply कर पाओगे, and if you have an experience of say 1 year, 2 year, 3 year तब भी आप apply कर पाओगे. And the salary will be provided as per company standards. So let us go through the eligibility. You must be from a BE or BTech background. Like आपका ब्रांच CSE, IT या EC होना चाहिए. You should have 60% or 6.5 CGPA and above throughout without any running or active backlogs. You should be 2019, 2020 or 2021 graduate. Okay. Now let us go through the job description. You need to attend HCL's virtual recruitment drive for fresher engineers. HCL's virtual recruitment drive is your opportunity to secure your first job and begin your professional journey with them. And candidates from all over India can apply. Let us go through the selection process. You will have a counseling session, an application submission round, an aptitude test, interview discussion, and then finally, if you clear the interview, your offer letter will be released. Alright, in order to participate for the HCL virtual drive, you need to apply now to register yourself in case you match the eligibility criteria, and then you will receive an email with a virtual recruitment drive link and other prerequisite details, and then you need to attend the HCL's virtual recruitment drive. Okay, so basically in order to apply for this job, you need to click here, apply for this job button, and then you need to fill all your details like name, email ID, mobile number, state, city, highest qualification, year of passing, 12th marks, graduation marks, percentage, everything you need to fill, and then you need to check this box and you need to register yourself for the drive. Okay, बाकी details आपको आपकी mail पे मिल जाएगा. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope maximum of you will participate for this thing. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे. बाय.